Your agent has instructions. Now, what is it allowed to know? This video covers the knowledge section of the agent builder, the source types, and the three toggles that decide whether your agent stays scoped or wanders. All three tooltips quoted from the live builder. First, permission to skip this entirely. An agent with no knowledge sources is not broken. It runs on its instructions, the model, and whatever the user pastes. The notes structure from the last video works exactly like that, and for paste-in workflows, that is the right design. Knowledge is for agents that must look things up. The knowledge section sits under the instructions. Sources go in at the top: SharePoint files, Teams content, Outlook items, websites, or direct uploads. Below them, three toggles, and these are the defaults. Web search off, restriction off, org chart on. Two of those defaults deserve a second look. Toggle 1, web search. Microsoft's own tooltip is blunt. If you don't add a URL and you turn web search on, your agent will search all public websites, all of them. Add a URL first, and the search is scoped to that site instead. One constraint to know: website sources take at most two path levels, so learn.microsoft.com/in-us/copilot works, but anything deeper is rejected. The second toggle is the one that moves other things when you flip it. Turn on only use specified sources, and the builder switches the org chart toggle off on its own. The tooltip says, restrict your agent's overall scope when accuracy is critical, and it means it. For any agent whose answers people will act on, this is the difference between grounded and plausible. The third toggle answers people questions from org chart and profile data. Who owns this? Who works with whom? It is the only one that ships on by default. If your agent will never get asked who owns anything, that default is just extra surface area. Turn it off. Put together, here is a fully scoped agent. A docs answerer with exactly one knowledge source. The Microsoft Learn Copilot section, restriction on, web search off, org chart off. It can do one thing, which is precisely why you can trust it. And the payoff in preview. Ask it a licensing question, and every claim comes back with numbered references into the configured site, plus a named source list at the bottom. Ask it something the documentation does not cover, and its instructions make it say so instead of improvising. One thing the toggles do not change: permissions. The asker's identity filters SharePoint, Teams, and Outlook sources at question time, the same permission model from the grounding video. An agent cannot show anyone a file they could not have opened themselves. So, choosing sources, works from pasted text, skip knowledge entirely, stable public documentation, one website URL, and the restriction toggle, team files, SharePoint, and let permissions do their job. And people questions are what the org chart toggle is for. The written walkthrough is at kesslernity.com/guides, link below. This matches the live builder as of July 22nd, 2026, and the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, Copilot Notebooks, the reference-grounded workspace.